NASA instructional coach and a mom of two who's been sharing her expertise in STEM education on her YouTube channel, Mommy and Me, The Listers. Crystal Lister is here with a couple fun experiments we can do at home with the kids to spark their love of science from an early age. Thank you so much for coming, Crystal.
Thank you for having me. My pleasure.
Well, and your husband's here in studio today. We were chatting about your 2-year-old Chrissy. How old is your other one?
One. I have a 1 and a 2-year-old.
A 1 and a 2-year-old. And these are things that you even do with them. Before we get into these experiments, which are super cool, let's talk a little bit about your background and how you went into this field. During the break, you were saying that when you were a young person, you didn't have access to these types of experiments.
Right. So growing up inner city Houston, my goal in life, my passion and line purpose is to give people who grew up where I grew up, who look like me, a chance to have these experiments and possibly change their whole trajectory in life. Instead of being a cashier like I wanted to be growing up, maybe they want to be an astronaut like Chrissy. That's my purpose.
And with these experiments, wow, I love these photos too. This is fantastic. These experiments, I mean, in your field, obviously it's a lot of fun and it's a great activity for these young people, but you really want to plant a seed or have a spark happen for these young people where they make the connection that what's happening here in these experiments, this is science. And this is, you know, learning about this can learn about the way the world works, right?
See, STEM is a green field and often overlooked for not just persons of color, but women. And so I'm raising a little person in my own image, hopefully. I want her to be even better than I am. And really, the sky is the limit, literally. These are things that we do in our home. That's in our kitchen, in various rooms of our home. And I really want them to see that anything is possible.
I mean, these pictures are adorable, and I agree. Anything is possible, right? I'm glad you're starting them young. Let's get into this first experiment. So the first experiment is called the magic milk. This is for ages 3 and up.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about what we have here. We've got a plate, some Q-tips, paper towels, milk,
yes.
And then I see some dish soap and food coloring.
So we say ages 3 and up, just being mindful that Chrissy is 2, so even a 2-year-old can do it. So
adult supervision.
Don't be nervous. Yes.
Okay.
So we have the magic milk, and we're going to show you some really simple things that you can do in your own home. So put the milk in the plate.
Just dump the milk out here?
Yeah, just enough to cover the bottom.
Okay.
All right. And then we're going to add some drops of food coloring because we like to get a little messy in our Mommy and Me kitchen.
Okay.
And different drops, so go crazy with it a little bit.
How many drops are we talking here, Crystal?
Just let the spirit move you.
Oh, okay.
And then make different colors so you can really see the magic.
Okay.
And this was one of Chrissy's favorite that you can see on our YouTube channel. She loves making magic milk and making the different colors go together and watching them move.
It is. It's pretty already. We're seeing some video, by the way, of your YouTube channel. How often are you publishing new videos?
We publish a video once a week. We're trying to go for a little bit more, but my co-stars are a little temperamental.
Mine are too.
As much as they will allow it to happen. And you see, Chrissy loves doing experiments. You see, and especially the messier, the better. So dip your Q-tip in the soap,
okay.
and then we're going to dip it and watch the magic happen. You ready?
Okay.
All right.
Just swirl it around?
Nope, just dip.
Oh.
Look. Can you see why it's Chrissy's favorite? Can you see?
Wow. Okay, this is beautiful. What is the science lesson behind it, Crystal?
So the science behind it is that the magic is the soap. The soap and the milk do not like each other, and it's causing the molecules to race around, thusly moving your colors around the plate even more. You see that?
Yeah.
So when we talk about STEM, we also add a reading component on our YouTube channel with read alouds, as well as an art component with the different colors mixing and moving.
It really is beautiful.
It is
really
art.
beautiful.
We're creating science art.
Science
Don't you
art.
love it?
Okay, the next experiment is called elephant soup, and it involves
soap.
this. Elephant soap.
Yes.
Okay.
So let me tell you why elephant soap. It's a new twist on a classic elephant toothpaste experiment. We heard it all before.
Okay.
We took Chrissy to an elephant sanctuary. Yes, put on your safety gear.
I notice you have yours.
Yes.
Mine on. Okay.
We took Chrissy to an elephant sanctuary, and one of her favorite things was to give the elephant a bath. And of course, they need soap. And we need to be really big, so this experiment proves just that.
Okay.
So we have peroxide already loaded in here. Oh, wrong one. Soap. We're gonna add a little bit of soap here.
How much is a little bit?
A squirt. I know it's not really scientific, but we actually filmed part 1 on our YouTube channel, so this is actually the finale here.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if we can make it go bigger.
Okay.
You ready? Let's
Yeah.
add a little food coloring because we like to do that.
Yeah.
We like to have fun.
Okay.
All right.
So hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, a little food coloring.
And this is potassium iodide solution. Now, before you pour it, we have our safety gear. It's a little stronger peroxide in there, so we make sure to be safe.
Okay,
Okay,
sure.
we're gonna pour this, and we're gonna watch the magic happen. You ready?
Pour the whole thing in?
Yes.
Okay.
You gotta do it fast.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
One,
It's so easy. Chrissy did it. You can do it.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
pour it.
Whoa! You see the steam?
Wow.
It's an exothermic reaction, so it gets a little hotter than what you would normally see. That's elephant soap, wouldn't you say?
Elephant soap. Fantastic. Crystal Lister, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank
That
you
was a
so
lot of fun. Be sure to check out her YouTube channel if you want to see more of these videos. And if you would like to see the complete list of materials and steps, you can head over to our website, HoustonLife.tv. That scared me a little bit.
See, Chrissy loved it. Can you see why?
I can see why. It was fun. I'm glad I have the goggles,
Yes.
too. All right, now let's check back in with Lauren Kelly, who's getting into the swing of things.